Erosion of a levee structure or the riverbank in front of a levee may occur from rapid and turbulent water flow. Now, this erosion also may come from wave wash, which we talked about in a previous video. Erosion of the levee prism is especially dangerous since this can lead to rapid levee failure. When investigating signs of erosion, do not park vehicles directly above the affected area and approach the area very carefully. This is particularly important since the bank or levee slope where visible erosion is seen may have been eroded worse under the water, making the immediate area near the visible erosion prone to collapse. Therefore, special caution should be exercised if you decide to approach the edge of the erosion area. If erosion is impacting a bank or bench in front of the levee, place 2 laths at the levee toe just beyond each end of the erosion site. These laths will be placed where the levee toe meets the bench. This will document where the original bench edge was located. Then place additional laths at the levee toe opposite significantly different depths in the erosion pattern. Mark each of these laths with the distance from the levee toe to its corresponding erosion edge. When all of these laths are in place, place a final lath on the levee crown shoulder centered on the overall erosion site. Write down the longitudinal length of the erosion on this lath. Place a hub at the base of this lath to identify the location in case this key marking lath becomes lost or stolen. If the erosion seen is encroaching into the levee slope itself, then place and mark all laths described previously up on the levee crown shoulder instead of at the levee toe. If available, use high visibility paint to draw a line immediately adjacent to the erosion. Then draw additional lines in 4-foot increments in the direction of the levee crown to aid in visually monitoring the rate of erosion over time. Paint the date next to these lines. Record all relevant information in the patrol logbook with the observed channel water surface elevation and the GPS coordinates of the site and the nearest stationing point. In the case of erosion from rapidly moving water, it is important to note whether any eddies are observed in the vicinity of the erosion. You also need to record the height and depth of any visible steep eroded sections, also known as a scarp, that may have formed. Also record the location of any bends in the channel relative to the erosion site.